welcome back to my channel Bereza. It's all about beauty and grace. Really hope you guys are doing good. So, if you guys remember, a few days back, I have done a poll on Instagram on my story that which video should I do next? Should I do top favorite blush or top favorite highlighters? So, more than 65% of you have voted for top favorite highlighters. So yes, today's video is all about that. So today I'm going to show you my top favorite highlighters. And who don't love highlighters? I mean, who don't love to glow? We all love to glow. We all love to shine like a diamond. And if you're a highlighter freak like me, then you have to watch the video. So without wasting further more time, let's get started with the video. Okay, so the first highlighter which I will be showing is a very common but a very like famous highlighter. So I have seen a lot of my friends using this highlighter on their makeup stories, and it's really a very like an amazing, incredible highlighter at such a nice price point. So yes, so first highlighter is from the house of Maybelline, is the Master Chrome Metallic Gold highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. So they have two shades. One is Molten Gold and another is Rose Gold. So obviously Molten Gold is such highlighter which will suit every skin tone, especially the Indian skin tone. So the packaging is really very simple and it's transparent, so you can see the highlighter from outside as well. And it cost 550, I guess. Okay, I will link down everything, the price and the gram on the description box or somewhere over here, so please don't forget to check that out. This is how it looks like. It's really very pigmented. It gives you a nice metallic sheen into your face, but the drawback is that it has a lot of fallout. As you can see around the package, it has a fallout while you use the highlighter, but it's really cool. And one pigmentation is one shot pigmentation, and this is how it looks on my hand. It's really very reflective, very metallic. I really love it. It's kind of rose rose gold shade actually, with a hint of rose gold. So in the pan it looks too dark, but once you swatch on the hand it doesn't look that dark. So it suits perfectly every skin tone, especially my skin tone, or if you are medium or dark. But if you're too fair, I don't think it will suit on the people who are too fair. But if you're like, it's not a chunky highlight, okay, so it's not at all chunky or glittery, which I personally don't like, because I don't like highlighter to be very, I have some highlighter onto my face, and when the lights hits onto your face, it's looking very natural, it's looking very like glowing from within. But what happens if the highlighter is too chunky or glittery, it can emphasize your pore, it can emphasize the texture on the particular side where you have applied the highlighter, which really looks, I won't say bad, but really doesn't look very comfortable. So that's the reason I don't love chunky or glittery highlighter. So this is a perfect one. It's very smooth, it's really buttery, it like melts into your skin. At this price point, it's definitely a steal deal, and often Maybelline comes up with an amazing offer of 15, 20, 25%. Sometimes it comes with 30% off as well, so it's definitely a must buy. Okay, the second highlighter is from the house of Colourpop. It's the Super Shock Cheek highlighter. It's a pearlized highlighter in the shade Wisp. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's a container, I can say a container type of packaging, where you can see the highlighter and you can see how the highlighter looks like. It's so pretty, and it does have some sparkle, some glitter into it, but it doesn't look that chunky. And the formula is really very unique, like it's a very squishy formula. If you can see, can you see, it's a very squishy formula, like if you've seen Marshmallow, it's exactly the same formula, exactly the same texture, very squishy, very easy to use. Like, you have to use a beauty blender or a finger. I will highly suggest you to go with the finger, which I do maximum time. Just take a bit and just apply it on a high point of your cheeks, and or else with beauty blender. But if you use a highlighter brush, you can't use it because it doesn't do justice if you use any kind of brush. If you use your finger, you will see it like gives a very nice, very dewy look, very healthy look, like you are glowing from within. That's kind of highlighter I will it's also very pigmented and very beautiful. And once you like do the once you it's, and this is how it looks like. So it's a beautiful champagne gold shade, a bit light than the Maybelline one, and obviously a few mils. It's really buttery. Like if anyone owns this highlighter, I'm sure you will agree to me. It's really very buttery, very smooth, and it like give a very nice healthy glow, very subtle glow actually, which you can use it on your daily basis, especially during the daytime. It's amazing. Can you see how the glow the sheen is giving, especially if the light falls into it? It looks absolutely stunning. This is a shade which suit every skin tone, fair, medium, dark, every skin tone. This looks really cool and I really love it. Okay, so moving on, next my third favorite is this. It's from the brand The Balm and it's the Marie Luminizer highlighter, and this is one of the best selling highlighter from The Balm, and I really love it. It's a very sleek packaging. The packaging is really cool, and inside it you get this much highlighter, and it's just huge. I have used a lot since too much is left. I mean, really little goes a long way, and it's, you can see it's a perfect champagne gold color. It doesn't have any shimmer, and the main part is it doesn't have any fallout, which I love the most, and it is so subtle, it is so beautiful. This is the most used highlighter. Like this is the highlighter which are often used, especially during the daytime, because I feel daytime you should look as natural as possible. So this highlighter is one of that. So if you want something for a daily basis, definitely you can go with this one as well as with. This is how it looks like. It's a perfectly champagne gold shade, and okay, then see, can you see, it's such a subtle highlighter, so good. It's like I can't say anything actually, it just melts into my complexion. It is so that beautiful, and while you move it, it's give a very nice subtle glow. That's why I love it. Very smooth, very buttery, and very finely milled, which I love the most. It's like a powdery formula. I really love it. So this is the perfect shade for your everyday basis. You can definitely go and check this out. Okay, so the fourth of my favorite highlighter is from the house of Double Down Cosmetics. So many of you or few of you don't have the idea or don't know about the brand. So before I talk about the highlighter, I really talk about the brand a bit. So Double Down Cosmetics was founded in 2017 in Los Angeles, California, and it's a joint brand of a husband and wife, Marvin and Crystal, and they two are my favorites. I mean, they both are amazing person. I love them so much. So it's their brand. It's a black owned brand which I really support a lot. I really support this kind of noble causes. So they have their makeup range as well as their skincare products. And their products are cruelty free, vegan free, and gluten free. And whatever donation or profit they get, they have a donation, which is the violence and the community in donation in Los Angeles and in Las Vegas. So they really does a great job. They're really supportive towards such noble causes. And yes, this is my favorite highlighter from them. So this is in the status, and it's in powder form. So since it's powder form, you have to be very careful because there can be a fallout if you just be like, you can see it's in okay, wait, yeah, it's in powder form, subtle highlighter, but definitely you can like blind it up. You can make this highlighter glow like a goddess. You can really build it up, and there wasn't a day, like whenever I've used this highlighter, I have always received compliments from my friends. This is that kind of like, you can see how metallic shade. You can use it as a highlighter, you can use it as a blush, you can use it as an eyeshadow, you can use it as many ways you want to. You can use it as a face like luminizer. Also you can use it on your collarbones, on your shoulders. It's beautiful. Like every highlighter you can use it on your collarbones or shoulder. It's a very beautiful formula. It's very unique. I don't know the camera is doing justice or not, but I can see it's really such an amazing highlighter. You can make it as subtle as you want. You can make it as blinding as bam highlighter you want. This is that kind of highlighter. And really, so my fifth highlighter is from the house of Ofra Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Rodeo Drive, and it's a mini version. So they have a big fuller size as well, but I thought let's just go with the mini one because this really lasts for a long time and you just need a little bit. Okay, but I just love the packaging. It looks so cute. It's small, it's very unique. I really love the packaging, and the detailing. The box is really very cool. It's just a magnetic one. It's really awesome, and once you open it, you get this product, and this is how it looks like. Love the highlighter. It's in 4 gram, but it really a lot, like maybe 4 grams sounding too less, but trust me, it goes a long way. You just need a little bit, and when I say a little, means you need a little. And I love the pattern. Like, can you just look at the highlighter? It looks so gorgeous. And the best part I love about it that they didn't compromise about the highlighter. I mean the pattern. Like, it's just exact the same as the original one, the fuller size. Same pattern, exact same is what to say. A brilliantly like blinding a bam kind of highlighter. I mean, no matter where you live, no matter in which planet you live, Mercury, Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus, Pluto, everyone can just see your highlighter. This is that freaking blinding highlighter. I mean, really, this is damn highlighter, man. I love this highlighter, and oh my god, this is so buttery, so cool, it's so soft. This is how it looks like. It also a champagne gold shade with a hint of, say this is so freaking glowing. Oh my god, this is such a glowing highlighter. This looks so awesome in every skin tone. Look, when the light is falling on the highlighter, can you see the sheen? I mean, just imagine when you're going to apply it onto your face, how freaking cool you got. My hands, the light is falling onto the highlighter, and look at the sheen, guys. It's beautiful. It's so finely milled, it's so buttery. This is so obviously I will suggest you to wear this on occasional purpose or on festival. Don't wear it on everyday basis. But if you like a highlighting freak and you love to glow like a disco ball every single day, girl, go for it. Who is stopping you? After it's your life, do whatever you want, bro. So yeah, this is my 6th favorite. I love this one. 5th favorite, sorry, Ofra. Next, my second last product, which is from MAC. How can I don't use anything from MAC? So this is from the house of MAC, and packaging is almost same as a compact. So almost same packaging. It's transparent. You can see the product. It's a dome shaped highlighter, and it's in the shade soft and gentle. And obviously, just by the name, it is as soft as gentle. It's to give you a very gorgeous glow. It has some glitter particles. It has some fallout, definitely, but this looks so good. And this looks like a baked highlighter. I mean, it looks like a baked highlighter with some peachy undertone into it. Okay, so everything, it's very gentle, just like a butter, so finely milled. It's so beautiful, looks so natural when you apply your face. Like, you will fall in love with this. And I know there are so many makeup artists, top makeup artists, whether it's Bollywood, whether it's from Hollywood or Tollywood, they use this highlighter, especially this one, soft and gentle, to their brides, to their models, because they highly recommend this highlighter. So I really love this. Gives a very nice subtle. Okay, so saving the best for the last. So my most favorite out of all, like whatever highlighters I have, this is my most favorite highlighter, hands down to it. But sadly it got discontinued by the brand. And okay, fine, this is from the house of Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's in collaboration with Amrezy. I don't know what to say, because whenever I look at the highlighter, I really ran out of words. I really become speechless. This is such a beautiful highlighter. Packaging is so luxe. The Anastasia brand name is written over here, Amrezy written over here. Such beautiful stars all over the packaging. It's a black and rose gold combination, and obviously black and rose gold looks always classy. How the highlighter looks, I mean, this is amazing. Can we just all stare at this and appreciate the packaging, the waving of effect of the highlighter? So it's like, this is one of my, like, look at it, guys. It's a perfect champagne gold. Give you a wet look into your face. So beautiful, so beautiful. It's amazing highlighter. It's just amazing. Like, can you just see, just like enjoy the view of the highlighter, like the sheen, the shine when the lights fall on it. It looks amazing. So it got launched on 2018, somewhere in the middle of February, but it was such a hot selling product. It's a highlighter. It got discontinued, it got out of stock so many times, and then they have launched it again on 2018 in the end of November. And I was like, you have to get it, Zina. You just can't afford to lose it for the second time. And I just like, I was so happy when they got relaunched, and I got it, and I just can't be more happy. And since I'm such a crazy one, I got a backup as well. So this is my favorite. You can understand why I say it's my favorite. I got a backup as well. This is a huge product. This is one of the best highlighter, guys, you can ever own. It's rightly discontinued, but I have a feeling they can bring another one, or maybe relaunched for the last time. This is really amazing. It's a huge highlighter, and it's a beautiful highlighter. It give a very nice wet look, like a wet highlighter. It really looks amazing. I don't know how she bring this highlighter. I mean, only one shade, and trust me, this one shade looks absolutely stunning on every skin tone. Like, people who have my complexion, it will look bomb. People even who are darker or medium, it will look superb. And who are fairer than me, like, I've seen so many beauty bloggers using highlighter, like Kathleen, Nikki, then I think James Charles, as well as Jeffrey. They all have used that. They all suited on his skin so well. I mean, I don't know, really hats off Amrizi for this thought. Like, really, one highlighter suits every skin tone. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Oh my god. Okay, so that was my favorite 7 highlighters. And before ending the video, I really want to talk about the staying power. So maximum all the highlighters more or less stays on me about 5 to 6 hours. 2-3 highlighters like the Ofra one, the Amrizi one, they stays on me more than 8 hours, which is amazing because my skin is very oily, and if something stays on my skin for more than 8 hours, it's have to be an amazing formula. And more than less, every highlighter is amazing, but obviously highlighters will have kickbacks, will have fallout, but few highlighters don't have fallout, like the Balm Matte Luminizer, then the Amrizi one and the Colourpop one. They don't have fallouts, and all the highlighters are amazing. All the highlighters are really perfect for Indian skin tone. So keeping that in mind, I have made this video. And all highlighters are in the shades of gold, champagne gold, a champagne rose gold, which goes perfectly with every skin tone. So that's it for today. I really have fun filming this video. This is a very unique video I have done so far. So do let me down below if you want me to do such more exciting videos, and also do let me know like which highlighters love the most among the 7, or which highlighter you have your favorite highlighters. Also do let me know. And also, if you want me to try some other highlighters, comment down below. I will love to give a try to them as well. And yes, I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, please do take care, and I love you guys all. Bye.